हाँ जी, आ जाओ। सामने बैठा है मेरे जो माइक्रोफोन के लड़का, सीधा स्ट्रेट खड़ा, हाथ खड़ा किया। यस, आ जाओ।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my beloved Hazur. My name is Fahad Ahmed, and my question is, how long did it take to build the Khana Kaaba?
Khana Kaaba, according to the history of religion and what Quran has told us, and then what we know, is the oldest building on the earth. Huh? Maybe millions of years ago. And it, you see, then it was reconstructed again by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, right? On the same foundation on which it was built the very first time. See? So this is the oldest building. That is what we know from the Quran, right? Okay, Assalamu alaikum. आ जाओ छलांग मार के आ जाओ, जिसने आना है। मैं किस किस को बुलाऊंगा।